Hello everyone. I will be showing you today how to program in M uh, MS-DOS programming language or batch, and it'll be in a batch file. So yeah. Um, Most of you may know that. Okay. Most of you may. Well, not actually. Well, if you know this video, you might know CMD. And in CMD, you may run different program commands from MS-DOS, which is Microsoft Operating System, well, Disk Operating System. You could put in, well, okay, you could put in echo hi Nathaniel. What it basically does is read after what you put in echo, and it just put, and then it just like, okay, it just puts in hi Nathaniel. And then, or you could put echo off, and it takes off this part right here, the user Nathaniel, okay. And yeah, and so you could put echo hi, and puts hi. You could also do, well, what do you want? You could put the title command, which is changes the thing up here, but okay, if you change up, like, if you don't know what you're doing and you start messing around in CMD, it could mess up your computer, so don't. And I don't want the title to be like that forever, so I don't want to risk it. But yeah, okay. What next? Oh yeah, ping local host. This command, it shows you your computer name. It shows you how much bytes of data there is, and yeah, it shows how much, like, I think how much packets you sent and also received, which I guess is information or something. But yeah. What else should I show you? Um, you can also change the color with color zero, the color, like, of the fonts and backgrounds, the foregrounds and backgrounds. You can put in color 0A, and the 0 is black and the A is green. See? Um, what else can I show you? There's also the shut down command, which is shutdown dash S. Yeah, see, you're about to be signed out in less than 1 minute. You could stop this though by shut down dash A, and it says log off is canceled. The schedule shutdown has been canceled. You could also shut down your computer remotely, but yeah, that may be in another video. And also, I don't know if I should show it because, comes great power, comes great responsibility. Okay, and you can also restart your computer. You just put shutdown dash R, and okay. Okay, let me show you how to make a batch file. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a batch game, or, kind of quiz you could do, but it'd be in text. It'll be in a text, like input and output. See, I made my own genre up called, for games, called input and output, which you put in input your response and it comes in output, and those are usually made, and I usually make those games for decision making games. Like, okay, so let's exit out of this, and okay, okay, I'll go to Notepad. I will open up my game I've made and show you some of the stuff I've done. Okay, and show you what everything means. Okay, at echo off. Okay, it turns every echo off. So during the game, if I so okay. So basically, you're supposed to make if you want to make a batch game, you're going to need Notepad. And in Notepad, what you're going to want to do is you're going to program it. Okay, you're not going to put you're putting in the commands, but it's saved. See, that's the difference between a batch file and CMD. CMD, you just run it while you're in batch. So you have well in CMD, I'm sorry. In CMD, okay, you put the commands in and they run after you just type them in. In batch, it just runs like a regular program would do. It just runs it off, after being programmed. So yeah. Okay. So add echo off turns off all the echoes here. And because right here, and it says created by, yeah, that's me. Ping localhost, and title what do as a Nigerian tribal chief. Let me open the other one though. This one, this is a game I might release later in the future. Okay. Um, let's see. It might be in download. Nope, documents, of course. Okay. Here we go. Okay, and this one, it's, echo off. It turns off all the echoes since it's programmed. Uh, the output will show what it's saying. Okay, color 0, the font's gonna be the font's gonna be, or foreground is gonna be green, and the zeros for the background's black. And ping local host, I explained that earlier. Okay, this over here, it shows I think it's semicolon and the start. Well, I call it start because this is it's kind of like a starting point or checkpoint, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I'll explain more of that later. Okay, CLS means clear the screen. That's a command you could use in CMD or whatever, or in this. And color 0A, yeah, you could use. Yeah, I already told you. Loop, yeah, it's like a checkpoint right here. CLS clear screen. Echo, the computer game. Nathaniel Boombeek, the computer game. Echo 1 to start. Set P dash set dash P, no. Okay, so this is going to be a variable. Okay, whenever you put set dash P equals, it means this is going to be the variable. If not defined, no. Clear the screen and go to loop. Um, if, uh, if, percentage sign, no. Percentage sign, equal, 1, go to RU Nathaniel Boomley. Go to, so if you press, since it says 1 to start playing, you're supposed to press, like, 1, like, as an input, and the output would come. You'd be going to the next, like, checkpoint or chapter, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and then see, like, this would be the chapter. Okay, this is gonna be, okay. Yeah, okay, if you're going to be making a chapter and stuff, and you're gonna put this variable right here, and you're gonna put the equal, and what you have to input to go to the next chapter, you're not gonna want to put in the semicolon, as in the go to, because, yeah. And over here is the chapter. Each chapter is going to have a semicolon. But whenever you're doing your what the input has to be to go to the next chapter, you do not want the semicolon in there. I hope you understand. Okay, clears the screen, color 0A, echo if you are Nathaniel Bimbley, echo one of your first video games you played was Sonic Hedgehog, echo yes for, and okay, it says echo enter yes for yes or and no for no. Sets dash p, this variable's Nate. Okay, yes, go to if you are Nathaniel. Um, and this is another chapter. So see, like after the go to, it's just like going to the next chapter, and you know, you don't need that. And if Nate equal no, no, go to wrong. Go to are you Nathaniel Boomby? Wrong seal wrong dash CLS. I meant semicolon wrong CLS. Color 0A. I'm sorry, Echo, sorry, but you are wrong. And that's a game over. Press Y to restart. Okay, Y is going to be the input you need to press. And see how this is kind of like a quiz game. And you're going to need to, like, I have another game I'll show you later, that it's more like what I explained later about the input and output. But this right here is gonna be, since you are wrong, it says sorry you're wrong, game over. Press Y. Yeah, and Y you're gonna restart, and high is the variable here. Go to loop. See, this is why you needed loop as a chapter or checkpoint, and go to wrong. If you are Nathaniel Boomboy, so echo color 0A. I meant color 0A. Echo, if you are Nathaniel, then what are, then one of your, okay, it should say your, but it says you. Favorite countries is Nigeria, yes or no? Yes, one for yes, or two for no. And yes, then what's your birthday? Go there, and yeah, okay, if, okay, I'm just gonna try to speed this up to make this, because we don't have that much time. Uh-oh. Yeah, we don't have that much time, so, okay. And it goes to here. And then it says, um, if press 1, okay, this is one of the last questions. When you are Nathaniel, and press 2, no, go to wrong. This has been a while back I made this. Okay, CLS, you win. You are number 1. Congratulations, you are Nathaniel Bingley. If you'd like to reset play this game, click Y. Okay, I'll show you one of my other games, but first we'll have to show you. I'll show you this one. Okay, I ran the program. Say says created by Nathaniel Bingley. Ping local. Ping no computer. Okay, start playing. If you are Nathaniel, one of your first video games played was Sonic the Hedgehog. Yes for yes. Enter yes for yes and no for no. If you are Nathaniel, then one of your favorite countries is Nigeria. 1 for yes, 2 for no. Okay, and yeah, yeah, you guys get the point. But okay, let me show you just part of my game. Okay, let's see. Okay, over here it shows echo off color 0A, and see you could put the title command right here, and it shows what will and it just changes. It makes it look like it changes the window um, of the batch file you're running, and it shows. And even in CMD, okay, it shows what would you do as a Nigerian tribal chief, and yeah, that it'll be on there. I promise you. I'll show you later in the video. Um, and yeah, we got ping localhost, and we got start. Got start the song. Yeah, start. Okay, this is a chapter. This is a command. Start song 2 dot mp3. That this starts any file. Like so. Um, if this if the batch is in the same place, like dictionary or whatever, as the file you're wanting to run, then you just put that in. But um, if you're going to want to like start the file and it's in a different dictionary or place in the dictionary, then you're going to need to probably look that up. uh, yeah, but okay, we got the loop here, and we got color 0A. We got this one is more advanced, but that's because this like program's more advanced, but that's because I started this earlier. Anyway, well, I meant earlier, later, like in my programming development through life. Okay, and this one says echo, and it shows stars, hashtag, and number symbols, dollar signs, and then in the middle of it, it says, "What would you do as Nigerian tribal chief?" Goes to pause, which what pause does, it says, press any key to continue, and you press something, and it continues. And echo, press 1 to start playing. Set y, set dash p, y equal, if not defined by y, go to loop. Um, okay, this chapter says CLS color 0A. Echo, your father, chief of Yoruba tribe, has just died by saving you from an assassination attempt on your life. Pause. Now, since he's dead, it's up to you to take his place. It's up to you to take back the glory to your people of your king tribe. It's up to you to accomplish your father's dreams of freedom and justice to the land. With God's help, you shall achieve your father's dream and take back power for the kingdom. Are you willing to take the position of chief of the tribe? And then you go to echo options. 1 for yes, I'm ready to take the throne. Or 2 for no, I don't want to be chief. And then it goes wrong. Yeah, okay, it goes wrong, and you guys probably should play the game to see what happens if you say no. Yeah, but, okay, let's go up here. Okay, and then if you say yes, it goes to, like, Yoruba warrior combat training. Okay, and then, let me show you the decision. Well, actually, that was a decision making, so, earlier. Okay, so yeah, you guys gonna have to play that game if whenever I release it to find out what happens. But I'll run it just to show you guys. See, the title command works. Then the song comes here. But you guys are gonna have to find out what the song is when it comes out. Okay, here you go. And press any key to continue. key, press 1 or 2, whichever you like. But there you go. Yeah. And that will be all. Thank you all for watching, and please comment, like, and subscribe this video. Peace. Yeah.